Self-acceptance grows when you release judgment, embrace your worth, and practice daily habits that affirm who you are at your core. And that is the thought for today. Welcome to 7 Good Minutes. I'm Clyde Lee Dennis. Thanks for joining me for what I believe will be 7 of the most enriching minutes of your day. In today's episode of 7 Good Minutes, we talk about self-acceptance and how to do it easily with some simple and proven techniques. Enjoy. Ever wondered how to truly accept yourself without all the struggle? Self-acceptance is like the ultimate game changer for living a fulfilling life. It's about embracing who you are, flaws and all, and feeling good about it. The thing is, many of us struggle with self-doubt and negativity, making it hard to accept ourselves just the way we are. But here's the good news. Self-acceptance isn't some innate trait you either have or you don't. It's actually a skill that can be developed over time with practice and patience. By working on self-acceptance, you can break free from the cycle of self-criticism and live a more authentic, joyful life. Think about it. When you're able to accept yourself, you're more likely to take risks, pursue your passions, and build meaningful relationships. You'll be less concerned with what others think of you and more focused on being the best version of yourself. It's a journey that's worth taking, if you ask me. To get the most out of this tutorial, you'll want to come in with an open mind, willing to explore your feelings and thoughts. It's also super helpful to have a journal or some note-taking tool handy for reflection. This mindset is crucial because self-acceptance requires you to be honest with yourself, and that can be tough. But with an open mind and a willingness to learn, you'll be able to tackle even the toughest parts of this journey. Having a journal or note-taking tool will also help you track your progress, which is a great motivator. You'll be amazed at how much clarity you can gain just by taking a few minutes each day to reflect on your thoughts and feelings. So let's dive into the techniques that'll help you cultivate self-acceptance. We'll be covering mindfulness, positive affirmations, and self-reflection practices. Mindfulness is all about being present in the moment, observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. This can be as simple as taking a few deep breaths, going for a walk, or even just paying attention to your senses. Positive affirmations are another powerful tool. By repeating positive statements to yourself, you can start to rewire your brain and build confidence. Self-reflection practices, like journaling or meditation, can help you tune into your thoughts and feelings and gain a deeper understanding of yourself. We'll also be exploring how to use these techniques in your daily life so you can start to see real changes. One technique that can be really helpful is setting aside a few minutes each day for self-reflection. This can be as simple as asking yourself what you're grateful for or what you're looking forward to. Another technique is to practice positive affirmations in front of the mirror. Yeah, it might feel a little awkward at first, but trust me, it works. You can also try incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine, like taking a few deep breaths before a meeting or while you're waiting in line. The key is to find what works for you and make it a habit. For example, I used to struggle with self-doubt, but then I started practicing mindfulness, and it really helped me stay present and focused. I've also found that positive affirmations can be super powerful. I like to write them down in my journal and reflect on them throughout the day. Self-reflection practices have also been a game changer for me. I like to set aside a few minutes each day to meditate and tune into my thoughts and feelings. By making these techniques a part of your daily routine, you can start to see real changes in your life. Common obstacles, like self-doubt and fear, can make it tough to practice self-acceptance. But here's the thing, you don't have to let them hold you back. One way to overcome self-doubt is to challenge your negative thoughts. Ask yourself if they're really true, or if they're just holding you back. Another obstacle is fear. Fear of failure, fear of rejection. It can be paralyzing, but often, the things we're afraid of aren't as scary as they seem. By facing your fears and pushing past them, you can build confidence and start to live the life you want. The journey of self-acceptance is worth taking, and with these techniques, you'll be well on your way. Remember, self-acceptance is a journey, not a destination. It's okay to take it one step at a time. That does it for today's episode of 7 Good Minutes. please take a moment to rate and review the show on the platform you're listening on. Until next time, let's be civil to one another out there. Thanks for listening.